Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Friday, August the 6th, 2010, and it's time to look at the markets. Check this out. Okay, on Thursday I posted an analysis on, I think, just about every major market we cover at PerfectStockAlert.com. So if you want to get that, go back and watch Thursday's analysis. That all stands still. It's all still good. Today I'm going to focus on two main charts and point out something that I believe is a setup that's a trap for bulls, and you need to be aware of it. So I'm going to point that out today. As always, our charts are always annotated and updated every single day on our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. So you can check them out there if you don't want to, if you don't particularly see the chart that you want me to analyze today. Just go to the website, check out the updated chart there, or watch yesterday's video analysis. Okay. All right, let me get to work here. First off, the main thing I want to point out here is the market is still very bearish and growing more so. But I'm hearing a lot of talk out there by investors and traders. They're seeing different things, and they're thinking that it's a bull setup or this and that. So I want to point out a couple of them here today. There's a couple guys out there that are seeing this kind of a setup here, and they're seeing it as a bull wedge or a flag, pennant, whatever you want to call it, and they're basically seeing the chart pattern as being a situation where they can buy here before it breaks out. I'm sorry, before it breaks out to the upside like this. Okay, and that technically would actually make sense. But the problem is, and there's always a problem if I'm talking about it, because I have to come out there and warn you about it. Okay, so the situation here that's setting up like that, it's a trap in my opinion. I'll show you why. Back here, we got the tools. Back here we had a low point, okay, and then we pulled back down and made a lower low. All right, these low points correspond with the low points on the chart. All right, right here and here. All right, and here you'll notice a low point corresponding to those low points. All right, but they're trending higher in price activity, while the slow stocks is trending lower. In this situation, this is a bearish divergence or a bear setup, and you want to be letting this bounce up here be a short opportunity and short into it as it's going to break down. That's what this is telling you. You can see this low point here actually broke below this low point back here. So price activity will actually take out this low point. So this is what's going to happen. What does that mean? Well, it basically means any price activity, let me get rid of those, any price activity above this low point right here is bogus, and it's an easy short because it can't be sustained. It will not hold, and so you don't want to be looking for a bull setup in this. I'm sorry, let me get rid of that. Basically, you don't want to be paying attention to this quote-unquote bullish price pattern because it's above this line, which means all this price activity is bogus anyway, so the setup would be bogus as well. And if you're buying here, you're going to get caught. And that's my concern for you, so be aware of that, okay? And you'll see the same thing. Of course, the FTSE is very important to me. I want to be monitoring this because it's what's drugged the U.S. markets down. It's what drugged the Hang Seng down. All this stuff got brought down by the FTSE. And if the FTSE breaks down here, which it's going to do, it's going to bring down world markets as well. So let's go look at the U.S. markets. Here we are looking at the NASDAQ. This is a 6-month chart, each candlestick's being 1 day. And you got basically the exact same setup here. You've got a lot of guys out there talking about a bull wedge right here, all right here. And they're expecting this to consolidate and then break to the upside. Again, this is the same situation as just pointed out in the FTSE. And you've got, let me get out those tools again. Low point here, lower low here. Okay, these 4 points correspond to these low points on the chart. All right, low point here, low point here. This is showing an uptrend, but it's false as this is showing a downtrend and confirmed by the high. High points are trending lower as well, even though high points here on price activity are trending higher. It's bogus and it's going to fail. So anything that is above this line, let me draw it out right there, 2159 is false and should be a short opportunity. Okay, that's the way I'm reading that chart. I don't create the charts, I just read them. So you can, anticipate it however you'd like, but this is what I'm calling for. It's a major breakdown of this trend right here, and it will fail, catching some bulls unaware, and bears will be making money as long as they stick to the chart reading. Okay, Pretty cool, pretty simple. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, refer a friend. It's that simple. Well, our analysis can be great, dead on, and we can help you guys all day long, but unless you guys are helping us help you by referring your friends, we cannot continue to be free. Okay, so we need your guys' help, and thus far you guys have been showing your help in spades, and we appreciate that. Thank you very much for referring your friends, for sharing our videos online on Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, etc. Thank you very much for that. And hope to see you all Monday morning as we go looking for our first swing trade. If you want to swing trade with me live on our website, then be one of the 200 guys that have access to that, and boom, it's in. I'm sorry I can't make it any more than 200 guys. That's all the thing will hold, so that's the best I can do for you, okay? And we still have space available for anybody who's interested for that. Okay, all right. Let's have a look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. Be sure to check out the website this weekend on our blog there. We've got a new article talking about government stimulus and what you need to know about that. There's also an article discussing the what we believe to be the potential high likelihood of another flash crash. Be sure to read that as well, okay? Awesome. Take care. God bless. Enjoy the weekend.